صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
18th Muharram al-Haram, Urs Mubarak of Mufti Dawood Islami Muhammad Farooq At-Tari Al-Madani alayhi rahmatullahi al-Ghani. The late Rukn Shura and Mufti Dawood Islami Abu Umar Muhammad Farooq At-Tari Al-Madani alayhi rahmatullahi al-Ghani was born in Rajab al-Murajjab, corresponding to the 26th of August 1976 AC in Farooq Nagar, Larkana, Babul Islam, Sindh, Pakistan. He received his early education, including Hifz al-Quran, from Darul Uloom Ahsanul Barakat, Zamzam Nagar, Hyderabad, Sindh, Pakistan. Thereafter, he came to Babul Medina, Karachi, Pakistan, and completed his studies from Jamiatul Medina of Dawat Islami. His entire life was associated with Dawat Islami. He was a sincere and impressive preacher of Islam. He journeyed to various countries and cities through Madani Qafilas in the pious way to Allah Azza wa Jal. Several people embraced Islam due to his propagation and individual efforts. He was a great teacher, writer, and a mufti, that is a jurist of Islamic law. He wrote nearly 4,000 fatwa and legal opinions. He had already completed his work on 6 sections in respect of the commentary of the Holy Quran, namely Sirat al-Jinan. He wrote almost 1,200 pages of marginal notes in Arabic for Tafsir Jalalain, which Al-Madinatul Ilmiya, that is the scholarly and research-based department of Dawud Islami, has already published through Maktabatul Madina with the title of Anwarul Haramain. He served the Deen through his ideal character and actions and passed away in this pious cause. The late Rukn Shura and Mufti Dawood Islami Abu Umar Muhammad Farooq At-Tari Al-Madani alayhi rahmatullahi al-Ghani passed away on Jumu'atul Mubarak, the 18th of Muharram al-Haram in 1427 Hijri, corresponding to the 17th of February 2006 AC. His holy shrine is situated at Sehrai Medina, near Toll Plaza in Babul Medina, Karachi, Pakistan. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह.